because I think screen time is something that the pendulum is swinging back on because we're learning so much about it, which we talk about will be AI in a few years too. All right. Bicker of the week. You ready?
Do I not know it?
You do know it.
What is it?
That's why I'm saying, are you ready? What?
I have no idea what it is.
Well, I'm going to present it to you.
So do I know what it is?
Yes.
We spoke about it yesterday.
It's the clean up the house.
Let's hear.
Okay. Bicker of the week. This is a scenario. All right. Wife, when you have a minute, can you clean up some today? Husband, yeah, I'm going to do a bunch of laundry and run the dishwasher too. Her, okay, but that's not cleaning up. That's just the normal stuff we do every day. Is she right? Does that stuff not count? What do you think? I know what I think.
What do you think?
I think it's a communication issue. I think it was really nice that he says, I'm going to do a bunch of laundry and I'm going to run the dishwasher. He's trying to do cleaning up things. But she had a different expectation. I think she should have been like, I mean more so, can you pick up all the toys? I want you to wipe off that table and can you organize our son's closet?
Yeah, well, I'm completely aligned on this. Like the request is so fair, but the other side of it is like we can't be in general, we can't be expected to read our partner's minds. And I feel like you and I have worked so much on that, and it's funny, like an example of it was last night where like you were going up to bed and you said like, please like take Winnie's spaghetti and make sure that her spaghetti bowl and make sure it ends up in the dishwasher. And like you wanted something very, very specific and you clarified what that was. Because I think like the other side to it of a parenting is like your house gets so messy so fast, right? And
so fast.
And like if we do a full clean, 15 minutes can go by and it looks like a storm hit it. And I think like what I've learned about me and I've learned about you is like there are things that like oftentimes you can't get 100% of the clean done. But 20% of the clean or 30% of the clean or 40% of the clean will make you happy, will be sufficient before you go to bed. And so just like outlining what exactly that is.
Being a mom has really equals me having to lower my cleanliness standards. So I call it the reset the night before, which is like, I like the kitchen counter cleaned off. I like all the dishes in the dishwasher and I like everything picked up off the ground. That's my new standard of like a nightly reset. Whereas it used to be before Bubs was there, like I would vacuum. Well, I still vacuum. But here's my number one point that I want to drive home with this that I'm thinking about now. Clean to you is stuff picked up. Clean to me is crumbs off the counter and surfaces wiped down and floors vacuumed.
But there can be 14 things on the counter for you.
Yes, but my counter is clean and there's no crumbs and I've even vacuumed out the drawers.
But there's like open mail and like books and boxes
for
and
you.
like shopping bags. And it's like, you can go upstairs to that. For me, I need all of that off of the table and in the garbage or in its proper place. And that's where like it is the perfect combo.